So from Uttaranchal, I'll go to Assam. See how far. এত দূর জায়গা কিন্তু এক রকম সুর, এক রকম মেলোডি। শুনেন, শুনো। বাগানুয়া, হাই বাগানুয়া, বাগানুয়া, হাই বাগানুয়া, জাতুয়া বলা, কুলুয়া বলা, তাবারুয়া মানে বামানি রাগুলখা, এ রাগুলখা, বাগানুয়া, হাই বাগানুয়া, বাগানুয়া, হাই বাগানুয়া। Okay, now this is like from Assam, we go back to Nepal. Gaicharu rajai ko banma mo phule mati phulaina kasta sa ramro. Gaicharu rajai ko banma mo phule malati phulaina. E pokhora ko bojanma ana mutha sacho, e pokhora ko bojanma ana mutha sacho, e pole hola chamar hola tiro maya lacho, e pole hola chamar hola tiro maya lacho. Gaicharu rajai ko banma mo phule malati phulaina, mo phule malati phulaina, mo phule malati phulaina. Okay, now from Nepal, which is really high up in the mountains, we come down, really come down, and then come down to Assam. So we come down in scale also. So we come down to the tea gardens of Assam, and so we'll come down in scale also, right? So if you like tea, you cha khai, cha bhalo lage, then Assam is the place to come to. And then Assam has these tribes, beautiful tribes, tea garden tribes. And this is their song. It's called Jhumur. And the song is like few hundred years back. The English people got people from Jharkhand, Bengal, Bihar, Orissa, and made them come work in Assam. In so many hundred years, they have formed a new language, new culture. Or the roots they have changed over the years, and this is how they do now. It's called Jhumur, the music. So now the song is basically Chelera is asking this girl कि आपका खोपा खोपा के की बोले আমি জানি না এখানে खोपा खोपा হলো the women is to tie the hair. Women don't have long hair anymore. It's sad, huh? Equality has done what to women? See, मुझे मारेगा कोई आज. But the point is that long hair, women used to have this. It's called a bun, right? In English, bun, khopa. So the guy is asking that, "Apnar khopa ta ke baniyeche?" She said, "My nanad, nonode baniyeche." So she like, "Apnake ke nojor lagiyeche? Like who is trying to patao you?" She's saying, "Amar devor, amar brother-in-law is trying to patao me." So it's like a very funky, story, I think. Que toke bandite la hilogi bilogi kupa re. Que toke bandite la hilogi bilogi kupa re. O que toke nozori lagaye. Que toke nozori lagaye. E brindabon. Oh, hare rasoki que toke nozori lagaye. E brindabon. Bandite lai hilogi bilogi kupa re. No dia bandite lai hilogi bilogi kupa re. O teu rato nozori laga. Teu rato nozori laga. E brindabon. Oh hare rasoki teu rato nozori laga. E brindabon. Now this is how the Jhumur dance is. We'll just show you a few steps of it. If you feel like this, stand up and dance. And people at the back, you the cooler people.